How would it be if you can combine all the data from all the text file of a specific table, like table from all those text Excel file. So if you go into this particular folder, and in this folder I do have, right now I do have two Excel file, and in both of these I do have some Barbie member list, like I guess 10 in one file, and another one is there is another 10 member list. So if you have a data structure like this, that bunch of similar data in multiple Excel file in tabular structure, and if you want to combine all those data from that specific folder, this template is for you. So you can choose the folder like this, okay, and that will put the folder path here, and then if you click on this retrieve data, then it will combine all the data from that particular folder. And base data is coming from the 10.xlsx, and these are coming from 20.xlsx. So this is combining data from both of those two files from that specific folder. So this will combine all the data in the first table only. So let's say if you have more than one table in that specific Excel file, then it will only consider the first table. By first table, I mean the first index, not the name. So the name can be anything. So it's not mandatory that all the table name need to be table 1 or something like that. Thank you. Have a good day.